Let's dive right in. What's a foreclosure? You might have heard the term on the news or from friends, but what does it actually mean for homeowners and buyers? Foreclosure is a process that happens when someone who borrowed money to buy a home can't keep up with their mortgage payments. It's a big word, but the idea is pretty simple once you break it down. Imagine this. A hopeful home buyer takes out a loan from the bank to purchase their dream house. Everything seems great at first, but life can be unpredictable. Maybe they lose their job, face unexpected expenses, or their financial situation changes. Suddenly, making those monthly payments becomes impossible. When the homeowner can't pay back the money they owe, the bank steps in. The bank's main goal is to recover the money it lent out, so it takes back the house. This process is called foreclosure. The house is no longer the homeowner's, and the bank now owns it. For the previous owner, it's a tough situation. They lose their home and any investment they made in it. But for buyers, foreclosures can open up new opportunities. These homes often go up for sale at prices lower than similar houses in the neighborhood, making them attractive to bargain hunters and first-time buyers. Banks aren't interested in holding on to houses. They're not in the real estate business after all. Their main focus is getting their money back as quickly as possible. That's why they often list foreclosed homes for sale at prices below market value, hoping to attract buyers fast. For buyers, this can mean significant savings. You might find a home that would normally be out of your price range suddenly within reach, simply because it's a foreclosure. Sometimes these homes need a little TLC, but the lower price can make up for the extra effort. That means you could get a bigger house, a better location, or even both, for less money than you'd expect. It's a unique chance to stretch your budget and maybe even land your dream home. Think of it like finding a hidden gem. Sometimes, a foreclosed home just needs a little fixing up, a fresh coat of paint, some repairs, or a bit of landscaping. With some work and creativity, you can turn a rough around the edges property into a real treasure. Foreclosed homes aren't all the same. They come in every shape and size you can imagine, from tiny, cozy cottages, perfect for singles or couples, to sprawling fixer-uppers that could become a family's forever home. There's something for everyone, no matter your taste or needs. The key to success with foreclosures is patience and a clear idea of what you want. It helps to do your homework, research neighborhoods, compare prices, and make a list of must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Sometimes the perfect deal takes a little time to find. Take your time, look closely at each property, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the better your chances of finding a home that fits your needs and budget. Remember, a foreclosure isn't just a house, it's a fresh start, waiting for someone to bring it back to life. For a smart, prepared buyer, it's a brilliant way to get on the property ladder and start building your future. Sure, it might be a project and you may need to roll up your sleeves, but with the right approach and a little vision, a foreclosed home can become the start of an exciting new chapter. So, are you ready to explore the world of foreclosures and maybe find your dream home? Let's get started and see what treasures are out there waiting for you. So where do you find these hidden gems? The search for the perfect foreclosure property can feel a bit like a treasure hunt, but with the right approach, you'll uncover opportunities that others might miss. It all starts with knowing where to look and how to look. Start with bank websites. They list their foreclosed homes called REO properties. These listings are often updated regularly, and you can sometimes find detailed information about the property's condition, price, and even photos. Banks are motivated to sell these homes, so you might spot a great deal if you check often. Special real estate sites like Zillow and Realtor.com let you filter for foreclosures with a click. These platforms make it easy to compare properties, set alerts for new listings, and even see price histories. Don't forget to explore other online resources like local government websites or auction platforms, which sometimes list properties before they hit the big sites. A real estate agent who specializes in foreclosures is invaluable. They know the ins and outs and can spot the best deals. These agents often have access to listings before they're widely advertised and can guide you through the paperwork and negotiation process, which can be tricky with foreclosed homes. Don't overlook public auctions. Sometimes the best bargains are found there, but be ready for fast-paced bidding. Auctions can be exciting, but they move quickly, so it's important to do your homework ahead of time. Know your budget, understand the auction rules, and be prepared to act fast if you spot a property you love. Drive around neighborhoods you like. Empty or neglected homes could be upcoming foreclosures. Sometimes the best leads come from simply keeping your eyes open. If you see a house that looks abandoned or overgrown, jot down the address and look it up later. You might discover it's about to hit the market. Once you have a list, don't rush. Take your time to review each property carefully. Look beyond the price. Consider the location, the neighborhood, and the potential for repairs or upgrades. Sometimes a house that needs a little work can become your dream home with the right vision. Think about your needs: bedrooms, garden, location. Do you want a big backyard for kids or pets? Is being close to schools or public transport important? Make a list of your priorities so you can compare each property to your ideal home. Make a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves to narrow your search. This helps you stay focused and avoid getting distracted by properties that don't truly fit your lifestyle or budget. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but a clear checklist keeps you grounded. The right plan helps you focus on homes that truly fit. By organizing your search and setting clear criteria, you'll save time and energy, and you'll be more likely to spot the property that's just right for you. Remember, it's not a race. It's about finding the right place for you. Take breaks if you need to, and don't feel pressured to make a decision before you're ready. The right property is worth waiting for. Be methodical, and you'll spot the real opportunities. Careful research and patience pay off, especially in the world of foreclosures, where the best deals often go to those who do their homework. With your shortlist in hand, you're ready for the next step, checking out your top picks in person and seeing which one truly feels like home. Found a promising house? Time for due diligence, your homework. Research the property's history and check for liens with a title search company. Always get a professional home inspection. Don't skip this step. Inspectors check everything: roof, wiring, plumbing, foundation. You'll get a report listing any issues. Better to know now than after you move in. Visit the house at different times to get a feel for the neighborhood. Chat with neighbors. They can reveal things you won't find online. Look for water damage, odd smells, or stuck windows. Use the inspection report to estimate repair costs. If repairs are too much, walk away. There are always other houses. A thorough inspection protects you from costly mistakes. Make smart decisions and you'll avoid a money pit. Let's talk money. Before you even start browsing foreclosure listings or dreaming about your new home, it's crucial to get your finances in order. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows and can make or break your home buying journey. First, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you're serious and gives you a clear idea of what you can actually afford. Pre-approval isn't just a formality, it's a powerful tool that can help you move quickly when you find the right property, especially in a competitive market. Traditional mortgages work for most foreclosures, but if the house needs major repairs, consider an FHA 203K loan, which covers both purchase and renovation. This type of loan can be a lifesaver if you're eyeing a property that needs a little or a lot of TLC. It lets you roll repair costs into your mortgage so you don't have to scramble for extra cash after closing. Don't forget extra costs: closing fees, property taxes, insurance, and repair funds. These can add up quickly and catch buyers off guard if you're not prepared. It's important to factor in every possible expense so you're not left scrambling at the last minute. List all expenses to see the true cost. Make a detailed checklist including things like inspections, appraisals, and even moving costs. The more thorough you are now, the fewer surprises you'll face later. Save up for a down payment. The more you put down, the less you borrow, and the better your loan terms might be. A larger down payment can also make your offer more attractive to sellers, especially in a competitive market. Start setting aside money now, even if it means skipping a few treats or making small sacrifices. Every dollar you save brings you closer to your goal, and those little changes can add up faster than you think. Having your finances ready makes the process smoother and faster. When you're financially prepared, you can act quickly, negotiate confidently, and avoid unnecessary delays or disappointments. Know your budget and stick to it. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement and stretch beyond your means, but staying disciplined will protect you from financial stress down the road. Plan for unexpected expenses. Foreclosures can come with surprises, like hidden repairs or unpaid utility bills. Set aside a cushion so you're not caught off guard if something pops up after you move in. The right financial prep is like oiling the gears before starting a machine. It keeps everything running smoothly and helps you avoid costly breakdowns along the way. With your money sorted, you're ready to make an offer. You'll feel more confident and sellers will take you more seriously, knowing you've done your homework. Now that your finances are in order, let's see how to take the next step toward owning your new home. Time to make an offer. Your agent will help you decide on a smart price based on similar sales. Don't just focus on price. Include contingencies like financing and inspection to protect yourself. Submit your offer. The bank may accept, reject, or counter. Negotiation can go back and forth. Stay calm and stick to your budget. Don't get emotional. Know when to walk away if the price climbs too high. If your offer is accepted, you move to closing, signing paperwork, paying your down payment, and closing costs. Once that's done, the keys are yours. It's a big day, the end of one journey and the start of another. Congratulations, you're a homeowner. Celebrate your achievement, you've earned it. Now let's talk about the risks and how to dodge them. Foreclosures can be a bargain, but beware of hidden risks. Most are sold as is, the bank won't fix anything, so that inspection is crucial. Competition can be fierce, especially at auctions. Set a firm budget and don't overbid. Watch out for liens, unpaid debts attached to the house. A title search will protect you. Empty homes may have damage from neglect or vandalism. Budget for repairs. Always keep a contingency fund for surprises. Don't let excitement cloud your judgment. Be thorough and cautious. Know the property's history and condition before you commit. The right prep turns a spooky risk into a smart investment. Stay alert, and you'll avoid nasty surprises. With risks managed, you're ready for success. Next, some top tips for first-time buyers. New to foreclosures? Start small. Look for homes needing only cosmetic fixes. Build a team, a savvy agent, thorough inspector, reliable lender, and if needed, a good contractor. Don't rush. Finding the right house takes time and patience. Expect to look at several homes and make multiple offers. Banks can be slow to respond, so use the wait to research and save. Educate yourself. Read, research, and talk to experienced buyers. The more you know, the more confident you'll be. Knowledge helps you spot deals and avoid mistakes. Think of it as reading the manual before building a new invention. Preparation saves headaches later. With these tips, you'll be ready for anything. Now let's enjoy the rewards of your new home. You did it! Keys in hand, you're standing in your very own home. Buying a foreclosure isn't just about price, it's about transforming a neglected house into a happy home. You start with instant equity, since you bought below market value. Every improvement you make increases your home's worth. It's your space. Decorate, renovate, and make it truly yours. There's pride in ownership and the freedom to create your dream home. You're also helping the neighborhood by turning an eyesore into a gem. Your hard work lifts the whole community. It's a win for you and your neighbors. Enjoy every moment. You've earned it. What a journey. We learned what a foreclosure is and how it can be a great opportunity. We explored where to find these homes and how to choose the right one. We covered the importance of inspections, title searches, and financial prep. You now know how to make a smart offer and avoid common risks. With patience, knowledge, and the right team, you're set for success. You're ready to find your own cracking foreclosure deal. Here's to new beginnings and happy homes. Now, how about that celebratory cup of tea of